daily routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. I brush my teeth. I comb my hairs after brushing my teeth. I wear my uniform at 7:20. I go to school by bicycle at 7:45. I start having lessons at 8:30. I have lunch with my classmate at noon. I finish all lessons at 3:30. I go shopping with my mom at 4 o'clock. I do homework at 5 o'clock. I have dinner at 6 o'clock. I take bath every night. I make the bed before sleep. I go to bed at 9 o'clock.